Friends and students, we are into the second video. That is the second part. We are continuing it. That is, we are using Raspberry Pi and MicroPython with Thonny IDE. So MicroPython, Thonny IDE, and Raspberry Pi Pico board. Please remember that. So in the first part, we have already seen what is Python, what is MicroPython. It's a language. MicroPython is used for microcontrollers and embedded system boards. So that we have already seen. And those who have not seen, please, they can go back to the previous video. In that, everything is in detail. Okay. So we are into the second part. We are in the continuation. In this, we are doing the second project, that is vibration alert system with web dashboard using Raspberry Pi Pico W and MicroPython. The components are same. The only addition is we are using an IoT project, that is, we are using a web dashboard. Okay. In that dashboard, it will be seen like whether the alert system is on or off. Of course, we have used different colors for that. So we will see the codes and we will see the complete thing. So please remember, the diagram is the same. The diagram will be the same. Okay. So what is the component required? Same components: Raspberry Pi Pico W, tilt sensor, LED, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard wires. Of course, you need a Wi-Fi connection for this. Without Wi-Fi, you cannot send the signal or you cannot communicate with the other dashboards. So Wi-Fi is necessary. So that is very important for us. All right. Web dashboard output. What do you get from the output? On the text, it will be written status no vibration or vibration. When the vibration will be there, it will be they say it's vibration detected. And if no vibration, it will say no vibration. Auto refresh every 2 seconds. After every 2 seconds, it gets auto refresh because we have given that program in the codes. Status color changes: green for OK and red for alert. So green and red, two colors we have used here. So let's go and see directly in our lab how does that particular codes and this thing works. Okay, and I will show you, and of course we'll see on the screen also how the things are changing. Very simple project. Why we have given? Because we should all learn MicroPython, simple project to understand, and how you will start with the IoT project in MicroPython using a Raspberry Pi Pico W board. I hope you will like this. Let's go to the lab. Lab is important. That's why I'm giving you live practical sessions so that you will get ideas. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please write to me and ask me. I'm ready. I'm giving you all details. I will try to give you all details. I am in the field of electronics and skill from last 40 years. So I have a lot of experience in the industry. So I welcome you all. Let's go to the lab and start our project. So we are into the code parts. As you can see, we are there in the lab. So same project, same board, same sensor, same LED, everything is same. Okay. The only difference is now we have programmed it, as you can see on your screen, for the web dashboard. Okay. So we have programmed it for web dashboard. So I will just explain you about the code part first. Please remember, once again, I'm telling you this, it is in MicroPython. Okay. So this code's first part, you can see here, it is network socket. These two things are new. Time is okay, and import pin, machine import pin, that is we have already seen in the list. So what are the two libraries what recently we have taken? One is import network and import socket. These are the two libraries. Okay, we have additional. Then configuration, you have to give your SSID and password over here. Same pin, that is sensor pin is 15, LED pin is 14. Right, we are defining that is connection to the Wi-Fi. We are just giving it here. Okay, as you can see here, the SSID password and the time sleep is 0.7. Then we have given next is the web page template. Okay, for designing a web page template, it's a simple template, but even if there are two colors we have used, so that's why little lengthier. Okay, this is the web template, this thing, and start the web. Okay, it is the channel and serving with the IP address, and you have a different type of this client connected address and HTTP. It will sense and it will be there. Then finally, it has to give an IP. IP connect to Wi-Fi and start server. On the bottom side, you can see here in the shell area, we have got this IP. Okay. So, and the server, it is telling this is the server number, and you can browse with this. Okay. So this number, this server number with the same Wi-Fi, you have to connect to your this IP for getting this IP. So I will show you on my mobile phone the same number I have taken and I've connected it, and what is the output we are giving. Connections are same. There is no difference at all. Okay. Only addition is just for making it a IoT project. We have added the dashboard part. Okay. So through Wi-Fi, it is transmitting or it is coming since we have got an IP number. Got it? Okay. So I hope you will like this project for beginners, that is, who are starting with MicroPython. This is a good project. You can just go for it. I'm sharing all the details. Also, it will be there. So codes also I'm going to share with you. You please try in Thonny IDE. Please remember, this is the second part. First part, go to the first part. There we have not used IP address or IoT. You have just simply, you are turning your, by tilting the things and all, the LD was coming. Here we are seeing it on the dashboard. Please watch it, like it, and please put some comments so that whatever projects you want, definitely I will try to give it to you.